The 2020 Nobel Prize for Chemistry goes to two scientists that developed a method for genetic editing. It's like scissors that cut the DNA, take out genes, and replace them with others. I know people that have cancer in their family. And today, thanks to this genetic research, you can map a person's genetic state and see if, God forbid, they have some kind of mutation. So now that we have these kinds of scissors that we can go into the genes, take out the mutations, and everything's going to be fine. Can this kind of development in the field of genetics at least calm down our health problems? No. Why? Because where do these problems come from? They're in order to arrange mankind toward a more orderly life between everyone. We won't be able to escape the blows of nature. So you're relating to genetic flaws as blows from nature? Of course. Of course. Where else does it come from? I thought that it's genes, passed on from the parents or something. But what is genetics? It influences us in the still vegetative and the animate. Of course it is. So it comes from nature. Any phenomenon that exists in nature is good. So why are there flaws in our genes? It's because of man. That man has to arrange the ties and connections between himself and those like him in such a way that the world will be arranged in a good and nice fashion, and it all depends, first and foremost, on people's attitude towards other people and then towards the lower levels of nature. I have an idea for a startup, just like these scissors that know how to correct the human genome. Maybe we should invent another kind of scissors that can correct people's qualities. There's someone who's antipathetic. Then we take these scissors, we cut out that quality and make that person more patient. You can't enter a person's desire. You can't go in there and do what you want with scissors. Why not? Because a person can be in control of his desire only by a higher desire, that I want to change my desires and not be bad to others. A perfect human being, if we can envision something like that. He has no genetic flaws, meaning he has no genetic illnesses. And what about his heart and his mind? What kind of desires, what kind of thoughts does a perfect person have? All the desires and thoughts are to the benefit of the entire mechanism of nature, all of mankind, and the animate world, and the vegetative, and the still. He relates to all of these things as one whole and perfect thing, and he wants for all of it to exist harmoniously thanks to his attitude. What do you think? Will we be able to first solve all the genetic problems with the help of scissors or whatever? Or that man will correct his internality, his attitude towards others and nature and so on? What will come first? We will not be able to be whole and complete and content with life with the help of these scissors. We won't. But to the measure to which we invest our efforts into it, gradually, as a result of the blows and lack of success, we will understand that we have to bring man's desire to want to be connected to others and there to make the cuts and good connections between people.